This video will cover the replacement of a North American headlight assembly for a European headlight assembly on a 1990 Volvo 240. This can be completed over lunch. Lift your hood, twist and pull the plastic tabs on either side of the grille, and remove your grille. Remove the bulb and holder from the housing. Remove the 4 nuts securing the back of the headlight assembly to the chassis. These may be rusted, so apply ample lubricant. Mine were completely seized and started spinning freely inside of the headlight assembly, so I had to disassemble the headlight and cut away the bolts to remove them. Hopefully, yours won't be this rusty. Once the nuts are removed, pull your headlamps and turn signals from the car. Remove the old bulbs and sockets from the wire harnesses. Inspect your new headlamps and attach the chrome trim pieces with the screws at the top. Seat your bulb into the housing, securing with the wire restrainer and cover with the rubber boot. Attach the wire harness adapter to the back of your bulb. Push the housing into place and secure with the 3 nuts on the back. Attach the new wire harness bulb adapter to the original headlight wire harness in your car. Locate the turn signal wires and make note of which wire went to which bulb. Cut the wires and attach new terminals. I am using bullet connectors. Connect the appropriate wires together with the plastic retainer. Do not forget about the ground wire, which connects to the black cable, or your lights will not work. Line up your turn signal with the mounts on the main headlight assembly and push into place. Test your low beams, high beams, parking lamps, turn signals, and hazard lights. If working properly, align your headlights using the 2 posts on the back. After that, reset your grille, close your hood, and you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.